The 69th Insomnia Gaming Festival, the UK's largest LAN gaming event, was successfully held in August 2022. There are as many as 40,000 people at the festival site. 3,000 game devices are running unimpeded at the same time. Matthew, the technical engineer at Insomnia, stated that he is grateful to FS for being the ultimate partner in high-speed gaming network solution, which contributed to the perfect ending of the festival. Matthew had felt huge concerns before the festival started. The main concern was the demand for a high-quality network for gaming events and the difficulty in supplying network equipment due to the impact of COVID. He emphasized the very strict network requirements at the gaming festival site, ensuring not only the supply of network for thousands of gamers on site, but also the smooth live streaming of BYOC.
So my primary networking problem is 3,000 people, all with their computers from home, all wanting to play games and download large games. So I need the bandwidth, I need the connectivity, and I need to be able to cover quite an epic amount of people at once.
However, under the impact of COVID, seeking such high-quality network equipment became very difficult.
So when we went looking for that kit, we discovered that most of the major names you'd recognize, we're talking about 6 months, 9 months of lead time. And when I went looking at price, they were looking at 3, 4, 5 times as much. And so I thought, I will try FS and I will see what that looks like.
At the last Insomnia Gaming Festival, based on the impression of FS optical transceiver modules exceeding expectations, Matthew noticed the FS switch also performed perfectly. FS focuses on the R&D, design, and sales of core equipment and general accessories in the field of network communication, providing one-stop supply of equipment, accessories and system solutions for global customers, serving nearly 260,000 customers worldwide. On FS.com, Account Manager provides Matthew with customized service.
It's after me for my orders, for upcoming availability for kit, and also for great and surprisingly fast access to technical support. I get quick answers to my questions. I get answers to questions I didn't know I needed to ask yet. I get a good foretelling of what the market's going to look like and whether there's stock for the sorts of things I might need next year. And on top of that, if I'm uncertain about how a selection of things work, I'll be provided with a custom technical solution that they will guarantee will work for me if I want to go forward and purchase. And that is extremely useful.
Firstly, since Insomnia's site requires a fairly large number of network types, Matthew has had good results trying FS devices in the core and edge networks. The entire backbone network is now FS devices.
So, having an FS backbone has upgraded the bandwidth that I can get from one end to the other from a few gigabits to, I'm now using 100 gigabit links. And I can support that traffic all the way down to the edge.
Secondly, fast delivery is one of FS's advantages. In order to improve user experience, FS has established warehousing and service centers in the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, Australia, Japan, Singapore, and other countries to provide localized services for global users.
It was a surprise to us that it took us about a weekend to get from nothing to the start of a working network.
The high quality of equipment, dedicated service, and fast delivery provided by FS enabled Insomnia to solve its challenges.
I so far have recommended FS to pretty much everybody trying to buy a Switch in these strange post-COVID times. I've been extremely happy, and I think I've turned a few people who were on a more traditional brand onto having a look and seeing what they can see.